In this video, we'll explore the different services offered by Unity. To view a list of services, head to Window, Services. This will display a list of services offered by Unity in a panel next to your inspector. In order to make use of these services, you must be logged in with your Unity ID and have your project under an organization within your account. These services vary based on the needs of your game. We have ads, which is referred to as Unity ads. These are video ads within your game where you can choose to reward your players for watching a quick video. Analytics allow you to track and record custom data. Anything you'd like to learn about how your users interact with your game or application can be tracked through analytics. Cloud building allows you to build mobile versions of your game in the cloud without tying up your development machine. This allows you to cut down on wasted time waiting for your mobile games to build and focus on further development. Collaborate is a new service offered by Unity, which allows you to store your project in a cloud-hosted repository. It's very similar to Git and allows for project collaboration within your team. You can commit, revert, and view history for a specific project. And should you need to roll your project back, you'll be able to do so. Performance reporting allows you to track application errors across devices and platforms in real time. Teams will often use this to address and discover high-priority issues. Unity in-app purchasing allows you to enable in-app purchases across multiple stores like Android, iOS, and Windows. It's never been easier to monetize your games. Last but not least, we have Unity Multiplayer. This integration enables you to quickly and easily create multiplayer games on Unity-provided servers to ensure that your players can find and play with each other.